I tried GetStardoncom reviews app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. GetStardoncom claims to help users earn rewards, cash or points for completing simple online tasks, but most people get this wrong. They assume reward sites or scams were just a waste of time. I spent a week testing it to see what actually happens. On day 1, I signed up and explored the dashboard. The interface is clean, showing tasks, surveys and offers clearly. Most people skip the tutorial, but going through it helps understand how points accumulate and which tasks are the most rewarding. By day 2, I completed my first set of surveys. The surprising truth, the surveys were legitimate and I actually earned points for my time. Many assume these sites are full of spam or never pay out, but my points updated instantly. Day 4, I tested cashing out. You won't believe how straightforward it is. GetStardoncom allows PayPal transfers and gift card redemptions without hidden fees. Most people get this wrong, thinking small rewards are a scam, but my first withdrawal process smoothly within 48 hours. By day 6, I explored the bonus offers and referral program. Using these strategically, I could earn extra points faster. Many users overlook this, but it makes a huge difference in accumulating rewards efficiently. On day 7, my final verdict, GetStardoncom is legit, user-friendly and actually rewarding. The shocking truth? You can genuinely earn rewards online if you use the app wisely and focus on high-value tasks. With instant point tracking, easy cash-outs and a clear interface, GetStardoncom proves that earning online rewards don't have to be a frustrating gamble. It can be simple, transparent and surprisingly profitable if approached correctly.